The biting wind of Antarctica howled, a relentless symphony of ice and snow. Jagged, snow-capped mountains pierced a dramatic, cloudy sky, their peaks lost. In this desolate expanse, a lone figure, Dr. Eris Thorne, pushed forward. His heavy winter gear was caked with ice, his every breath a visible plume. His face, etched with fatigue, held a fierce, unyielding determination. Suddenly, the wind intensified, threatening to rip him from his feet. Dr. Eris Thorne knew he had mere minutes. "Not like this," he whispered. With urgent practiced movements, he began to carve blocks of ice. His gloved hands worked with incredible focus, each cut precise. The raw, crystalline texture of the ice was visible as he constructed. The biting cold was a constant companion, but his resolve burned brighter. He could feel his strength fading, yet his hands never faltered. As the final block settled into place, sealing the igloo, a stillness descended. Inside the newly formed ice dome, a subtle transformation began. A soft, ethereal glow emanated from the ice walls, expanding the space. The harsh, raw interior softened, morphing into a warm haven. The transition was seamless, a visual metaphor for hope blossoming. Gone was the stark ice. In its place was a beautiful, cozy sanctuary. Warm, amber light bathed the space, illuminating plush blankets. Wooden elements added a touch of rustic comfort, a stark contrast. A profound sense of peace settled over the scene. Dr. Eris Thorne survived the extreme. His resilience turned a tomb into a refuge. If you were moved, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on every new adventure.